Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily share your favorite CapCut templates to your friends. So here I'm already on the CapCut apps and I'm going to just go to templates, and let's say that this template right here is my favorite template and I want to share it with my friends. So what you need to do is click on the three dots icon on the template. Here you can share it directly to this three social platform: Instagram, WhatsApp, or also Facebook. Or you can also save the templates first and share it to your friends. And if they have CapCut apps on their phone, you can also copy the link and just paste or share it with your friends in the other social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Click on the thanks. Bye.